Explain Academy is a premium program that teaches you how to explain simply and convert that into video. The program is for a small group of ambitious academists who want to bring their communication skills and content creation skills up to the next level together with me. Sturgeon's law says that 90% of everything is crap. My goal is to put you in the top 10% so we don't waste our time on creating forgettable content. I believe we have to back up a little bit, get our process and foundation in place before we accelerate again and start to create stronger content. So, how are we going to get there? During our weeks together, you will gradually go through my entertaining video courses, one-to-one coaching with me, live group sessions, and weekly challenges to put things into practice. You can choose to be 100% dedicated and show up for everything every week, or you can choose to be 50% dedicated, watch the recordings, and show up for the one-to-ones. No matter how new or experienced you are, what kind of content you create, and what you use it for, you will be a better explainer at the end of this program. And explaining things simply through strong content is a skill set that will help you in pretty much any industry. You might have reservations like if it's worth doing a program instead of finding your own way, if this is advanced enough for you, what level of commitment is required, do you have the time, and whether it's worth the price. If you want to see what previous graduates have said about their doubts, why they did choose to enroll, and what they thought of the program, I'll include some testimonials at the end of this video. What you and they all know is that a guitar doesn't make you a good musician. And unfortunately, a video tool doesn't make you a good explainer. What does make you an excellent explainer is the ability to simplify something complex, to structure your information, to write a great script, and to craft a strong video out of all that. In essence, this academy is really just an opportunity for us to get to know each other and for me to tailor what I teach to your specific context. If all this excites you, I look forward to welcoming you in the next cohort of Explain Academy.